So let's learn and enjoy mathematics. Our lesson is about describe reflections in the Cartesian plane using coordinates. Last time we discussed translation, one of the transformation that is translation, as shape lines in a straight line without turning. Right now, we will discuss reflection. A reflection that is a shape flips over a line like a mirror, or the definition of a reflection, it is a change represented by a flip of a figure or image over a mirror, which usually is a line but may also be a point or a plane, which are called line of symmetry, points of symmetry, or planes of symmetry, literally mirrors. So kung tititigan natin yung example, the hot air balloon's reflection on water. So makita natin yung figure or yung hot air balloon, nagkakaroon siya ng reflection or ng mirror sa water. Reflection in a lake. Another example is the symmetrical in a starfish. Kung tititigan natin, those mirror are symmetrical. So, katulad dun sa butterfly, mirror symmetry in a butterfly wings. And then the snowflake has line of reflection symmetry. So again, what is a reflection? Reflection that is flip figures over a line. So in reflection, flipping a figure, the reflect line and then the rule. So let us see if the reflect line is the x-axis. The x-axis, so it means the rule, if the value is given x and y, we need to copy x and then change y to negative. So that is the reflection if that is x-axis. The reflection across the x-axis, if the given x and y, the point is the x and y, the reflection over the x-axis, that is copy x and then negative y. So x and then negative y. So let us try to the next example. The reflection over x-axis. Let us reflect 5 and negative 3 across the x-axis. The given formula, x and y, so copy x, and then y, change to negative y. If the given is 5 and negative 3, so copy 5, and then negative 3, that becomes positive 3. Kung tititigan natin yung figure, that is positive 5 and 3, and then the reflect across the x-axis, that is copy positive 5, and then the value of y, that becomes negative 3. So the formula across the x-axis, change y, negative, that becomes positive. If that is positive, change to negative. The reflection across the x-axis. The given vertices are A negative 3, 6, B 2 positive 6, C 6 positive 1, and then D negative 3 positive 3. The formula for across the x-axis, copy x and then change y to negative y. So it means the answer negative 3, negative 6, 2, negative 6, 6, negative 1, negative 3, negative 3. So tingnan natin sa figure kung ano yung itsura that reflect on the given quadrilaterals. So negative 3, so this is negative 3, negative 6. While B, 2, positive 6, 2, negative 6. C, 6, and then positive 1, so that is 6, negative 1. And then negative 3, positive 3, negative 3, negative 3. How about across the y-axis? The formula, if that is across the y-axis, positive x become negative x and then copy y. Kung i-compare natin siya sa reflecting across the x-axis and y-axis, pag x-axis, yung y magne-negative. Pag y-axis, yung x magne-negative. Based on the figure, if that is reflection across the y-axis, the given, if that is x and y, reflect. So the value of x, that becomes negative, while the value of y, copy. What could be the reflection over the y-axis? The given reflect -4, positive 7 across the y-axis. The formula, change x. So the formula -x and then copy y. So the given is -4, positive 7. If that is negative, the -4, so negative times -4, so the value for x is positive 4, and then copy the value of y, that is 7. The original point, that is -4, positive 7, kung tititigan natin yung figure, the reflected point, that is positive 4 and then 7, reflect over the y-axis. How about if we reflect a line y equals x? The formula, x become y and then y become x. So kung titigan natin yung figure, reflect over the line. So yung formula natin, x become y and y become x. Kung tititigan natin yung figure, if we have the value x and y, so yung x that becomes y and then y become x. So the reflection across the x equals y. So based on the given figure, we have the quadrilaterals, that is value of A, -7, 2, value for B, -5 and then 4, value for C, 1 and 2, and then the value for D, -4, 0. If that is across the line, if x is equal to y, the formula x become y and y become x. So it means the given -5 and then 4, so that becomes 4 and then -5. While A, -7 and 2, that becomes 2, and then -7. So kung titigan natin yung figure, ito siya. Positive 4, -5, and then positive 2, -7. And then the last one, C and D. So C becomes 2 and 1, while D, 0, and then -4. So kung titigan natin yung figure, that is 2, 1, while this one, 0, this one, hanggang dito yon, should be 0, and then -4. So kung tititigan natin yung image, this red quadrilaterals, we have the value that is 3, -1, 5, +4, and then 7, -2, and then 5, -4. So the formula to get the value, that is x become y and y become x. So kung tititigan natin yung given 3, -1, so 3 and then -1. So that becomes -1 and then 3. Next, 5 and then +4, that becomes 5, +4, that becomes 4, and then +5. 7, -2, that is -2, and then 7. 5, -4, that is -4, and then 5. So kung tititigan natin, nag-reflect across, the x is equal to y. What if we need to reflect a line if x is equal to -y? So the formula, if that is x become -y, and then y become -x. Kung i-compare natin yung dalawa, yung isa, yung x become y become x. While here, lalagyan natin negative both the ordered pairs. Again, if the reflection x is equal to -y, the formula, that is x become -y while y become -x. Let us reflect across if x is equal to -y. So kung tititigan natin yung given na value, we have the vertices of the quadrilaterals 3, -1, 5, +1, 1, +2, and then 3, +7. The formula, x become -y and y become -x. So start natin dito, 3 and then -1. So change the sign of 3 and then -1. So that becomes +1 and then -3. So ito na yung value natin. So this one, +1 and -3. Next, +5 and 1. So that becomes negative both, and then pagpalitin yung position. So that becomes -1 and then -5. -1, -5. Next is 3 and then +7. So lagyan natin both ng negative, yung -3, -7, and then pagpalitin. So -7 and then -3. So ito siya. Next is +1 and then 2. So lagyan natin ng sign na negative both. So negative 1, and then negative 2. And then pagpilitin natin ang position, so that becomes negative 2, negative 1. So the reflection across the x is equal to negative y, that is positive 1, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, negative 7, negative 3, and then negative 1, negative 5. What if the question reflection across if x is equal to negative 3 and y equals 0? The original vertices, that is negative 5, comma 2, negative 5, comma 1, negative 2, negative 2, 1, comma 0. So, paano gagawin natin? To be able to identify the next, we need to the formula x is equal to 2h minus x. Our height, that is equal to negative 3. So 2 times negative 3 minus x. So that becomes negative 6 minus x. To be able to identify the reflection across if x is equal to negative 3. So yan yung magiging formula natin, that is across. So that becomes negative 6 minus x. So negative 6 minus x. So negative 6 minus negative 5. So subtract and then copy the sign of the larger number, negative 1, and then copy 2. Negative 6 minus negative 5, that becomes also negative 1. Negative 6 minus negative 2, so that becomes negative 6 plus 2, so that is negative 4. Negative 6 minus 1, that is negative 7. So, kung tititigan nyo yung reflection across, if x is equal to negative 3, kinokopya lang yung value ni y na 2, 1, negative 2, and then 0. Pero kung tititigan natin yung given, it is only reflection across if x is equal to negative 3. What if reflection across if y equals to 0? So, tutuloy natin yung pagsusolve para malaman natin. So, kung titigan natin yung value, the reflection additional, if y equals to 0, negative 1, change the sign of y, negative 2. Negative 1, copy, change the sign of y, that is negative 1. Negative 4, negative 2, so that becomes negative 4, positive 2. Negative 7, so hindi naman pwedeng negative 0, so negative 7 and 0. So, para mas ma-visualize natin yung figure, ito yung given na quadrilateral. Ang given na quadrilateral, we have negative 5, positive 1. Negative 5, positive 2. 1, 0, negative 2, negative 2. So, kung tititigan natin yung figure, ito yung kaninang sagot natin for the reflection across if x is equal to negative 3 and y equals to 0. So, negative 1, and then negative 2. Next is negative 1, negative 1. Next is negative 4, positive 2, and then negative 7, 0. So the reflection across, that is negative 7, 0, negative 4, 2, negative 1, negative 1, and then negative 1, negative 2. Instruction: reflect the following figure. Then write the coordinates of the pre-image to the new figure. Provide your answers in the comment section.
Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.